In this video, let's talk about the print function. We've been using the print function to print something to the console. In most cases, it's been our output. So let's learn about the print function. If we have a variable called name, write my name, and we can be able to print this name within our output. So this is going to return the output of our name. So let me open up my terminal and Python print.py. It's going to return my name. However, the print function does not only take in one argument, it can have a lot of arguments. So I can also add my age as 23 and then print my age as well. So when I save this, I can come and then run the file again, and this is going to print my name and my age. Now the print function takes in the following argument. Sorry for that. So I can say print, take a look at the print function. Now when I write this, we see that it takes in the values or objects that we want to print. It also takes in the separator, and then it takes in which string or which mark we would like to end with. Let's see how this works. It also takes in the file and takes in the flash, which is a boolean. So let's see this in action. So we can print name and age, and then we can specify that our separator is going to be a comma, and then we can also say that we want to end in, let's say, hashtags. So let's save this. Now when we run our file, I'm going to clear my terminal with Ctrl L and run the file again by pressing the up key. Now when I press enter, you see that this is going to print our two variables and then end with a hashtag.